some of you may have seen Matthew at our inaugural event, I think, and the Wi-Fi didn't work, so he wasn't able to do his demo. So today we're going to do the demo. Okay, Matthew, you're on.
Good evening. Tonight we are glad to present MarieQuantier.com. To prepare for the future, you have only 3 options. Invest in real estate, in assurance vie, and on the financial markets. We intend to make Marie Quantier the mainstream tool for investing on the financial market. We embedded cutting-edge technology in a very easy-to-understand website. No need for any financial background. Let's have a look. As simple as it sounds, the best way to protect your wealth is to invest in securities that go up. And the only way to know which ones they are is to know the market condition. For example, today it's in Serenity. And we give you the appropriate asset allocation that maximizes your gain and minimizes your risk. If you want to dig a bit deeper, you can see that for each market condition, there is a recommended asset allocation. Everything is based on state-of-the-art statistical methodologies. You might now wonder, how do we know in which market condition we are? We linked in real time hundreds of economical indicators in an artificial intelligence engine. We do all the painful job so that you can easily check it out. You can now have a look at the details of the recommendation, all the securities and the weights. You can modify it. And we are proud to introduce you something that has never been made available before. We are computing more than 300,000 equity options to extract the most accurate dividend forecast. You are now able to anticipate the revenue stream of your portfolio. This was only accessible to investment banks and to hedge funds before Marie Quantier. We also wanted our clients to be able to assess at a glance their diversification risk. We came out with this extremely simple map. 10 sectors, 80 subsectors. When it's empty, you are not investing. When it's colorful, you're investing a lot. Very visual, very straightforward. At this stage, you want to verify if your portfolio suits your risk profile. And yet we wanted our clients to be able to manage the risk of their financial portfolio on their own. This has never been made before. Not even by banks, not even by insurance companies. Investors can now crash test their portfolio depending on several scenarios and to assess the upside and the downside. We developed this technology in partnership with Jussieu University. At this stage, you can check the summary of your portfolio and finally, the beauty of automation. We wanted the user experience to be hassle-free. That's why Marie Quantier is electronically linked to online brokers. You type in your password, you add a comment for maximum security, and click. Boom, it's done. You invested. Thank you very much for your attention.
So, who are your clients?
You don't know yet. So it's mainly the Y generation, people who will not have any pension. Actually, people who will not have sufficient pension. We have to build our wealth through real estate, assurance vie, and financial markets. We cannot afford not to invest on the financial markets. Real estate and assurance vie, fonds euro, means you are only exposed to the French economy. That's not acceptable. You need to be exposed to the rest of the world. And you can only do it through the financial markets. So it's basically everyone from 5,000 euros until the last people, the richest people we've been talking to is 10 million euros. But it's the market is mainly the people who are building their wealth.
And the banks are not interested in your services?
The question is, why should we be interested in working with a bank? Actually, who is trusting the banking industry for the financial advices? Not anymore the Y generation. We call it the Wikipedia generation. They are asking all the time questions about why are you suggesting this and that, and that's not in the classical banks that they are getting the answer. So they want to move to other kinds of financial services, and most of them want a digital platform. Did I answer?
What is your business model?
You pay.
Can you say it again?
What is your business model? So how are you earning money?
You pay to access the.
And what is the commission size?
It's from 80 euros per year to access the platform. And from 250,000 euros, you also pay a performance fee.
Basically, you are using a buy and hold strategy. Did you plan other strategies in your model?
So it's not buy and hold. It's more smart beta strategies. So it's based on market regimes. How do you detect the current market regime and which is the most appropriate asset allocation? So more than buy and hold, it's smart beta. That's why we are not using PEA, Plan Épargne Action, basically because you cannot have the global macro approach and you cannot sell your stocks when the economy is going down.
Sorry, just for the video.
Who is Marie Quantier?
So Marie Quantier is a pioneer of investments. She was born in the 19th century. She did not. She had no superior education, and she managed to grow her wealth through the euphoria of the 20s and the crack of the 30s, only following a simple rule, which is diversification. And that's what we want to bring to the 21st century, how to diversify properly with the help of cloud computing, big data, internet, and all those great innovations.
And she was successful?
Of course.
Thank you. I would like to know how the stress test works. What does it cover, the stress test?
So basically it's bootstrap, resampling, and Monte Carlo. Thank you very much.